Hello once again to Bloons Tower Defense 6, where we go popping some balloons once again. So I did level up some little time, and I did have this one, more cash, because yeah, more cash on the start is always good, and got this tree, and then using this soon, because then I can use this, and this. Yeah, and keep on going until here, because we don't want the Moabs getting reduced health. Anyway, we got here a monkey popping up, and what did he get? Daily challenge, water or air, but no land. Okay, so I think there will be no land things to place. And I will get a 100 submarine, and indeed only sea or air. Okay, fair enough. I like a challenge, and I will need 60 rounds. Well, I am loving this already. Where will I start? I think with this one, because this one has also the ability to scan things, right? If I need scan, I will have to start here in the corner. And I can use one already. Yes, so I got 2 submarines. This is a good start. And as you can see, they will pop pretty much on its own already. Pop, 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 pop. You will hear a lot of popping noise. The other submarine, there we go. Just do it on your own, screw it. Because as I know, he got this. Submerge target optional permanent reveals camo balloons in his radius. So this means if they are on my radius on the scanner, that means I don't need other camo things. So if I only get one of this, so we'll use a longer range already. Oh, losing already 2 balloons. Oops. Well, that's what you get. Then what will I do with this one? I don't think ballista. But we're going for this one. And already doing it right now, because as you can see, already leaked some balloons. Popping a lot of balloons. And there we go. I got the scan already. And yes, like a real submarine, he's going down, diving into the water. So what I need now, I got the camo now. Now I need some to popping lead. And that's why I will use this one for. Now we shoot normal darts, but if we're going for grape shot, he will popping those other balloons soon. And I think it's hot shot already. Yes, and setting balloons on fire. So that will take a while. So popping, 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 pop, 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 hot shot. So I can see now camo balloons and popping lead. So that's a great start. But I see here an upgrade. But what kind of upgrade? It's red. Oh wait, I used the wrong one. Oh well. This one I didn't want it. I wanted something over here, I think. Oh, sub-commander. That is huge to get. So I might get that one. So because this will be a cannon ship, I think, or not. No. No, 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 no. You know, grappling hooks are good, but I don't need it now. So I'm going for the carrier very fast. And you see already why. Going insane already. Look at that popping. There's a camo balloon. So this will have very good upgrades already. Now using the airplane. You might think, what a bad position. True, absolutely. Absolutely true. But not if I'm doing this. And because I don't need a spy plane, you know what I will do? Shooting faster. As you can see, camo balloons are not really the problem now. Well, those two are. Because the radar is too slow. So I might need another submarine to scan. That would be no problem. But first I need this one for a never missing target. Because that will be huge. Wow, look at that. So, taking another submarine over here. Because it will gain longer range. Perfect. Yes. And also getting this one. And he got the barb darts. Or oh no, I didn't do anything yet. They're just normal submarines now. So now I'm gonna get the destroyer because it will be very fast now. There we go. Now nothing will come in close. Moab, not really a problem yet, so that's good. Spectre is a little bit expensive right now. So we're gonna use another airplane. And of course, don't need any camo things. So using two of those, two pursuits. And getting faster. So this should be already very easy to beat around 60. So that was a very fast 5k money. So I might think I will collect now for the Spectre. Because if I got that, well, it is all over then. Look at the money. Wow. Even those balloons are no problem because I got darts, not only magic. I'm not sure if the grapes are magic damage, because they do set on fire, so the purple balloon ignores that. But a grape doesn't count as a dart. It's more like a cannon thing. I'm not sure. Anyway, already got 11k money. And that Moab is really getting in trouble now. Look at it. It's like he didn't even made a movement. Almost got already 18k. 2 Moabs, not really a problem. $17k, almost there. No problem at all. And there we go. Now it is all over. The BTB will have no chance anymore. And let's upgrade this baby right here. Because I can use the sub-commander. So I got the Spectre now. And it needs 120k for a flying fortress. Wow. And I could use this one. Command defense. Even before 160 maybe. So then the BTB will have no chance at all. Oh. There we go. Getting reinforcements if it gets hard. There we go. Easy. But I will continue. Let's see how far I can go with just those 4 monkeys. Well, not really monkeys, because they're all machines. Planes and boats. And as you can see, I like planes because I upgrade those first. So now I can check for a carrier. Just look at it go. That's the only thing that bothers me right now. The camos. That really bothers me. Because if they are so fast and won't be scanned, I got pretty much trouble. Look at that point fight. Now getting small airplanes added. Going to use this one now. Getting triple darts. And the armor piece, I don't even know what it is. Oh, Moab class damage. Well, I need that. Boom. Sub-commander 25k. That is not really high. But if it is worth it, grant extra piercing damage to all subs in its radius. Oh baby. Yep, okay, I'm going for that. But now the only problem is now. Hey, there we go. What I want to say, the only problem is right now, can I survive to have 25k money? It's the same later, cats. Need more money. Need more money. Look at the small Moab class, there's no chance. The extra damage does so much. Even the BTB have no chance at all. Look at it. When it's near on the radius of the submarine, it destroys it. Look at the Spectre go. I'm curious about the kills right now, because this one has now not that much, but it will support other boats now. This one has, wow, 35k, but both start later with upgrades. But what about this two? Wow! So like I said, when the Spectre is there, it is all over. He is one of the main damage. And also this one, not bad at all. Ooh, coming through a little. But that's alright, because the Spectre will dominate it. I'm getting pretty near to 25k. But can I do it before round 80? Because that is what I wanted, before round 80. Because then the balloons will be dangerous. Because it won't be a MOAB, it won't be a BTB, but it will be a ZOMG. And that thing has a lot of health, with a lot of BTB and MOABs inside it. But it seems I can get it before. Look at it, I'm leaking a bit. Not that much, but a bit. There we go. Sub-Commander. So I got those in my radius. So that gets upgraded. So he will get heated darts and he will get twin darts. Airburst, yes. Going to give him a reactor. Because the reactor does submerge attack camo balloons, blah blah, cooldown nearby water-based monkeys by 50%. But I don't have an ability yet. But it might come. Because I will add another one now. If I can do it. Ah, don't tell me I can't. No. Really? I have to go over here. Wow, look how far. Oh my god. Oh, yeah, there we go. Not really that great. Oh well. I will need the cannon ship now. And I can unlock this one. So the cannon with the double shot. There we go. Nothing going on yet with the ZMG. Oh, coming through, coming through. We're getting dangerous now. And I'm done. Alright. Well, not that bad. Could be better. And of course I did some mistake, I think. Because I think that ship commander was not worth it. But hey, if you don't try it, you don't know it. So going back, did that daily mission. Got an extra point. So now I got sniper hits on chimeric balloons, slows down briefly. Edit. So I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, that's not really correct if I need 6 skills, because I got required 14 and I got only 4. So this means I need 11 more levels to have this one. So I will get a lot of other upgrades, because like grape shots, I think normal is 4 shots and I'll get 6 shots. So I will get very good other edits on it, like razor raptors. I will have a lot of fun when I get all of this. So if you guys got something for a challenge for me, except for this kind of challenges, because those challenges are different. So if you got a challenge for me to do, or on what map or anything, I can show you fast the maps, because then you can see what I can do. You can pause it during the video and check it out. I can't do it underground yet, I don't know why, but oh well. You've seen the maps, give me a suggestion what kind of monkeys, what kind of map or anything, and I will do it maybe for you on the next video. Thanks for watching once again, and bye bye!